Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So today, what we'll be discussing about is the Advantage Plus shopping campaigns, which was rolled out by Facebook. And if you guys need to have an understanding of what Advantage Plus shopping campaign is because it helps advertisers to get smarter and faster on which campaigns are converting. And the main reason why people and Facebook would have rolled out is, because this actually helps the use of AI to automate the campaign creation process, like mentioned here, and is powered by the new machine learning models. So this is how it looks like, Advantage Plus shopping, where you have the two methods, for example, Advantage Plus shopping or create a manual sales campaign as usual. So this was mainly rolled out for, e-commerce campaigns. Yeah. And as Facebook recommends, as Facebook has done its own testing, it says that 15% of A/B tests we discovered that advantage per shopping campaign drove 12% low cost per purchase conversions compared to advertisers BAU campaigns. So even though we see all these messages, sometimes we might be very reluctant to test it out. But it's all about, when it comes to advertising and when it comes to marketing, it is always about testing yourself, testing the campaigns, understanding what creative works, what doesn't work, and then going forward from there onwards. So I myself wanted to test this campaign. So that is when I thought, okay, now it's time to get my hands dirty on these campaigns and start working on these campaigns to see if it actually it is very useful, and whether it is actually bringing in results, and whether it can actually reduce the cost per results for the campaigns. So these are two campaigns which I ran parallelly, but unfortunately one campaign was promoting the seasonal products, and the other one was for Advantage Passing, kind of a BAU campaign here as well. And if you take a look at this campaign, so yes, this is a campaign, general campaign. Let me check the creatives that we ran to understand. Yeah. So this was just normal BAU campaign once again, so which brought a results, a cost per results of $11, and the Advantage Plus shopping campaign, which bought a results of $11.11, a little bit less than the our normal campaign. But actually, my objective of running this Advantage Plus shopping campaign is to see whether this actually works, right? To give you a bit of understanding of how an Advantage Plus shopping campaign would look like is there will be no place where you can have an ad set. It's just to now, because in the normal campaign what you have is the campaign level, ad set level, and ads level, right? But here you don't have the ad set level, right? So all you have is the camp you can say the campaign level and the ad set level both combined in one place, and moreover then the finalize creatives, all right. Right. So this is actually what it is, and if I have to, tell you guys about it, I think it's best you could guys could start working on these campaigns if you are reluctant to, start off. I actually start off, and it was really good, as in like in terms of results. My objective was to test and see whether this campaign is bringing in results, and fortunately, yes. So if you guys have ever planned to start running Advantage Plus campaigns, definitely try it out. There's nothing wrong, because my opinion is that Facebook always has to up its game. The reason why I'm saying this because is that there are so much competitors outside there, even for Facebook. Now, one of the main competitors when it comes to e-commerce marketing is that Facebook has competition in against the e-commerce sites having their own on-site ad platform. When those comes into places, for example, if I take the Sri Lankan market, there's a e-commerce platform called Daraz, and if you take the Singapore Malaysian market, they have Lazada, Shopee, which has its own advertising platform. So Facebook actually always try to up this game, so that people will add more advertise on Facebook as well, right? So that is why they wanted to make the process as simple as possible to try to bring in more results through using their AI engine and their machine learning algorithm and stuff. Yeah, so guys, that's pretty much about it, you know. And if you guys ever wanted to start advantage per shopping campaign, don't worry, go ahead with it. Thank you.